Over to you, Richard.
Excellent. Thank you, Saeem. So I am at the Chainguard stand here, and I have the wonderful Hannah, who's actually agreed to talk to us and give us a quick update on Chainguard. So, Hannah, thank you very much for saying yes to do this and agreeing. Would you mind just saying a quick intro to yourself, and then we can trust you Chainguard, and we'll go from there.
Of course. So I'm a partner solutions engineer at Chainguard, building out the technical community of our partner ecosystems. Be that AWS, who we've just been working with on their stand, Azure, who we're working with in 40 minutes, and all of our reseller partners and integration partners as well. And we are the safe source, best source for open source. So we rebuild every 24 hours about 2,500 container images from the source code to give an output of 0 CVEs and a minimal trunk attack surface for those container images, as well as language libraries.
Fantastic. And Hannah, what's kind of some of the things that customers have been sort of saying to you coming up to the stand? What are some of the challenges that you're seeing that they're talking about?
Well, and also my background has been in detection and remediation. It's revolutionary for a lot of customers that they can start with a very preventative approach that is no workflow change for a developer, really. Instead of going to the internet, open source any public registry and pulling down an image, go to Chainguard's repository and you're starting from a really secure baseline. We've heard really good feedback, as in almost disbelief that this system and approach to security could exist, where you can bring such harmony between the developer team who are focused on innovation and the security team that are trying to protect the organization going forward.
Okay, fantastic. And what about things like sort of AI and AI agents, stuff like that? Are you seeing that already from customers? Is that kind of coming through already to you?
Yeah, the question's twofold, really. So we've been hearing how is AI integrated into our product so that we can keep up with the pace of development. All of our Chainguard factory, powered by Chainguard's OS, is automated with engineers coming in to layer on top for QA tests. And then second to that, how is AI affecting the market and what customers are doing? Well, we see that customers are innovating and creating so much more code with the power of AI. If you're not a developer, you can now become one using Claude Code. And what that's doing is creating a larger attack surface with more output from these developers, and more code can be shipped quicker, but less rigor in terms of the security posture of that, maybe less verification. So there's a greater need to focus in on security in the rise of AI, and more people adopting the kind of mechanism of coding through AI.
Fantastic. Okay, well, Hannah, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for the update on Chainguard. Thanks a lot. Thank you.